Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new tutorial video. Inside this video, as you can see, we have a one mobile phone battery. It is, I think, GM5 General Mobile GM5 Plus battery. Inside this video, we are gonna learn how we can know that type of battery has how much voltage. Okay, let's get started. As you can see, our battery, the brand name is writing in here, the General Mobile. That type of battery, as you can see, there is a one flex cable in here. Using that flex cable, we are gonna connect that battery to our main board, actually PON main board. But if you want, you can directly put your multimeter device pin inside this connector, and also I would like to show you another way how you can know how much voltage that battery has. First of all, I would like to take off that type of tape in here, like that. When you take off that tape, you will see a nice nice object. Actually, you have a one BMS battery voltage battery management system. Actually, yeah, that one. This flex, as you can see, we have some we have a BMS in here, battery management systems, and as you can see, there is two steel part in here. One of them is plus and one of them is minus. We are gonna directly put our multimeter pins in here, and we can see how much voltage it has. And of course, for example, you don't want this battery, but you want that connector from the another PON. You need it. You directly take off that BMS part from that battery, and you can use another battery. But I would like to show you another video for that topic. But as you can see, our multimeter device is here, but I think you cannot see the number from the multimeter device, and yes, right now you can see, I think. And one of them is, as I said before, plus, and one of them is minus. It doesn't matter for us. If you put wrongly, you will see inside your multimeter device a middle line like that. As you can see, there is a one middle line beginning of that number, which means we put wrongly our pins. Yeah, like that. 2.54. Yeah, in this video I would like to show how you can know how much battery it has. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.